Hello there. Are you struggling with managing a stress-free life, maintaining work-life balance, and how to improve the productivity at the workplace? Or did you ever get stuck with negative emotion in your life? I am here to help you. My name is Sanjeev Kumar, mindfulness teacher and author of a book practicing the power of present moment. I have been helping to the people in order to realize their true potential, to discover who they really are. I have been helping to thousands of the people for personal transformation as well. So let us talk about what you can learn from my session or workshop. You can learn about how to do the deep breathing exercise in the form of relaxation technique. You can learn about how to create a space or gap between two thoughts, words or action in order to pay attention, slow down and watch out our thought. Stress, anger happens the more we try to react. So we need to avoid the reaction. Therefore, we must have responsive, not reactive at all. You can learn about how to connect with positive emotion wellness in terms of connecting with love, forgiveness, kindness, compassion, happiness, joy, peace. Because most of the people are holding the thought of hate, jealousy, anger at the workplace and it is affecting the productivity. So I can help you like how can we connect with the positive emotion wellness, and that will help us to build up positive, healthier and the beautiful relationship among employees as well. You can learn about how to prioritize our work in the form of time management skill. Just for example, as soon as we wake up early in the morning, we can do the guided meditation practice because it will help us to settle down our thought, calm and relax our mind. It will help us to improve the decision making skill as well, and it will improve the productivity for the rest of the day. You can learn about how to dissolve all kinds of the useless and unwanted thought in order to create powerful, awesome and the beautiful thoughts. I am looking forward to connect with you. Thanks. Have a nice day and I hope you enjoy my video. Bye.